Welcome to the podcast, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of software development tools and how they're revolutionizing the way we code. If you've ever wondered how modern tools can enhance your productivity and improve the quality of your projects, you're in the right place. So let's start with a big question. What goes into writing better code? Well, it turns out that artificial intelligence plays a huge role here, and that's where GitHub Copilot comes in. Imagine having a coding companion that not only suggests code snippets for you, but also learns your coding style as you work. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? Now, for those of you who may not know, GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered tool that assists developers by generating code in real time. Think of it like having a co-pilot who not only helps steer the ship, but also gives you insights and suggestions along the way. It's really about making coding more intuitive. Now let's not forget about security, which is an ever-pressing issue in our digital world. GitHub's tools aren't just about writing code faster. They also help identify and fix vulnerabilities before they become serious problems. With the constant evolution of cyber threats, tools that help keep our applications secure are more important than ever. So one could say that coding in today's landscape is like being a knight in a digital armor, constantly scanning for potential threats. And if you're wondering, how do I keep track of my progress on projects? GitHub offers a suite of features, like actions for automating workflows and issues for planning and tracking your work. It's like having a personal project manager that keeps everything organized and on schedule. Can you imagine the time you could save by automating repetitive tasks or having all project-related discussions in one place? But what about collaboration? Well, GitHub fosters it brilliantly, allowing teams to discuss ideas outside of just code. With tools like discussions, teams can engage in in-depth conversations that shape their projects even before a line of code is written. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Have you ever heard of the GitHub Sponsors Program? It's a platform where you can fund open-source developers. Imagine being able to support the very minds that create the tools you depend on every day. It's a beautiful way to give back to the community, don't you think? Now, let's pivot a bit towards the educational side. GitHub offers numerous pathways, white papers, and community articles to help developers continuously learn and evolve. In a field that's always changing, staying updated can be quite a challenge, but it's essential. As we wrap up, let's reflect on this. With the right tools, software development can become not just a task, but a collaborative and secure adventure. GitHub has truly positioned itself as a leader in this landscape, catering to everything from security to community engagement. So as you sit back and think about your own coding experience, consider what tools you're using and how they can transform your journey as a developer. What challenges do you face in your coding journey, and how could tools like GitHub help you overcome them? Thanks for tuning in today. It's been a pleasure exploring the world of coding tools with you. Keep pushing the boundaries of your projects, and until next time, happy coding.